एक स्कीम है PM-SHRI. Why was it in news recently? It was in news because Delhi government, which had so far stayed away from this scheme. This is a centrally sponsored scheme. Centrally sponsored scheme में क्या होता है? Center, it's a state subject matter, but center gives some money, state gives some money. Because state has to give money, state has to agree to the scheme. Delhi government had not participated in the scheme so far. The scheme was launched 2 years back. It has recently signed an MOU with center to implement the PM-SHRI scheme, and that is why it was in news. What is PM-SHRI scheme? What is the purpose? Purpose is to fund 14,500 government schools. It can be central government ka school, state government ka, or local bodies ka school, to improve their infrastructure, so that there is these schools can act as examples for the rest of the schools in the region. This was a scheme that was announced in September 2022, and from FY23 to FY27, it is supposed to benefit 14,500 schools, government schools. What would happen? These schools will be equipped with modern infrastructure in terms of lab, in terms of sports facilities, in terms of overall infrastructure. Now, these schools will also be developed as green schools. That is, sustainability will be an important component. So there would be focus on water conservation, there will be focus on waste recycling, there will be energy efficient infrastructure. All these aspects are provided for in this. Why did some states not join it? Abhi bhi jaise West Bengal is still not part of this initiative. So why some states had not joined these schemes? Mostly the reasons were political. Some states said, when some money has to be given from our side, why the name PM-SHRI? Right? Those were some of the arguments, mostly political. Delhi or center ka bhi what tense relationship rehta hai, so it had also stayed away. But recently, Delhi government is facing fund crisis, and some fund coming from center would be beneficial for them, would be useful for them, and that is why they have agreed to it. Now, कुछ और basic चीजें for preliminary examination that you should know. This is an initiative under Ministry of Education. What is the budgetary allocation? Budgetary allocation is 27,360 crore rupees. But since it's a centrally sponsored scheme, some of that money will come from center and some of it will be coming from state. Now, this scheme is aligned with national education policy. Now, in national education policy, do we want to improve infrastructure? Yes. So this scheme is doing that. And this scheme is under Samagra Shiksha scheme. Samagra Shiksha scheme is a scheme by central government where it provides funds for running government schools, and PM-SHRI is an initiative under the Samagra Shiksha initiative only. So Samagra Shiksha initiative mein, other than PM-SHRI, funds are also provided for things like teachers' salaries, uniforms, books, reimbursement for EWS students. या जैसे private schools में EWS students are taught free of cost. So where does the P come from? Where does the money come from? It is from Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. So this PM-SHRI initiative is under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Recently, Delhi has joined it. Punjab mein bhi Aam Aadmi Party government is there. In August 2024, they had also joined the initiative. Some other states, some other non-BJP ruled states like Tamil Nadu and Kerala are also planning to become part of PM-SHRI. Have been talking about becoming part of PM-SHRI. So preliminary examination mein, if a question comes, what is PM-SHRI? Which ministry? The purpose? Aligned with national education policy under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. All these things should be factually known to you people. Okay, mains examination mein someday we'll study ki education sector ke liye what are the initiatives. So education, India ka school education kya problems face kar raha hai, what are the government initiatives. So there will just write one line. PM-SHRI is one of the centrally sponsored scheme to improve infrastructure of government schools. वहां पे बस एक line रहेगा. But for preliminary examination, you may need to know more features, you may need to know more aspects here. Okay,